Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. And it's Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale video. We're going to give you the best tips and tricks and how to save the maximum amount of money at this glorious sale that happens twice a year in December and then in the summer. So the bins will be out and the tremendous savings up to 75% off. If you love Bath & Body Works, this is the sale for you. So it will be starting on Saturday, June the 3rd. It usually starts on a Monday, but it's a Saturday this time. And it's going to be going for the next 4 weeks. So I think right up till the first week of July. It's both online and in store. Definitely download the My Bath & Body Works app for more coupons and daily updates as the sale progresses and moves. Now, from shopping this sale for 10 plus years, I'm going to say that the first weekend and the first week is where the greatest items come out and you can find the biggest savings. Typically, if you show up there first, especially if you like the 3-wick candles, that's when they bring them out for like $8 or less. I even saw them for $6 at an outlet. And before we really dive into the nitty gritty, if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, I would so appreciate it if you could take a quick second and like this video. As this is a couponing page, we're going to be looking for the coupons either home mailers or in the My Bath & Body Works app. I love that app, especially if you forget these at home, which I typically do. But these will probably be showing up in the mail soon, and it's usually a 10 off 40 that shows up for semi-annual sale. Well, pairing the sales price with the coupon, you can have some very deep savings. I had an entire table for like $25, which I'll show you here in a quick second. But it's just absolutely glorious. As this is a couponing page and a lot of us love to save money with the IBOTTA app, IBOTTA actually has Bath & Body Works gift cards. I think at the $20 mark you can get one if you have $20 in your IBOTTA account. Utilize one of those for one of your hauls and you are going to be paying a lot less, especially if you have a 10 off 40 coupon. It's just tremendous. I love this app. And for new signups, if you want to sign up with my link, I think you're given an extra $5 when you submit your first qualifying receipt. Check out my link in the notes if you wish to sign up for this fantastic app. Now, at Bath & Body Works outlets, you can really find a lot of unique stuff and a lot of stuff they're trying to just get out the door. They often have dollar tables, $2 tables, $3 tables, especially with the semi-annual sale. The bins are always fantastic to mine through to look for goodies, but they also have a lot of off-season items, a lot of Christmas, especially right now for the summer semi-annual sale. If you love Christmas candles, Christmas decor, there's going to be a lot of that on display and rock bottom prices. As I mentioned earlier about the bins, they did end this for COVID for a couple of years, but they are back and in full force. And if you like to dig, my goodness gracious, there's lots of stuff to be found in those bins at Bath & Body Works. And out of season, such as Easter, Valentine's, and Christmas, if you like to gift those types of candles, but you don't like to pay the big ticket price of $26.50 or whatever it is, this is definitely the time to be looking $3, $6. I've seen them very cheap for some of these candles. And, don't be shy to ask an employee for a bit of help. Then just to give you a peek, I got these $3 a pop at the last semi-annual sale last winter. Again, this happens twice a year. And like $3 a pop with a 10 off 40 coupon. This is a lot of magic. And I love to gift these smaller candles, especially to neighbors around Christmas or any time of the year. I got a little bit of Christmas, a little bit of Halloween, a little bit of everything. And I love these little candles for $3. And I think the price for them is at least 15 plus now, eh? They're quite expensive. But I just want to show you guys this gigantic table, probably $500 retail. Got it down to $25.44. Got a $25 IBOTTA gift card and I paid 44 cents and felt like I really got away with something. When you can line up such significant savings and the fact that this sale only happens twice a year, it's absolutely tremendous to get, organized if you can get out to an outlet. And I would definitely head out that weekend of June the 3rd, 4th. Just get out and see what they have. And you're probably going to have a table very similar to me. And definitely also sign up for the My Bath & Body Works app because they have a lot of information, especially with semi-annual sale. Probably the Thursday, Friday before that, they might announce it. And it's going to be absolutely fantastic. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.